I am almost half sleepy, but football has kept me awake. First, a brilliant Euro semi final, and then a brilliant Copa America semi final. Argentina finally winning on penalties and making it a grand finale with Brazil versus Argentina in Copa America final. What an encounter! But to be very honest, this match shouldn't have even gone to the penalties. Penalty hero was Emiliano Martinez, the Argentina goalkeeper. Three saves. I'll come to all that. But this match had almost every ounce of entertainment, because first of all there was Messi magic, there was super sub Di Maria with his brilliant skills, there was a horrible miss by Argentina, there was a beautiful goal by Colombia, and there was so much more in this game. I can't believe there was obviously this Emiliano Martinez being the hero, but the first few minutes of the game was totally about Leo Messi, because in the very first moment he ran down the right side, dribbled past a few challenges and put in a brilliant cross into the box, which was dived and headed just outside the goal by Lautaro Martinez. But then after a few moments, when Giovanni Lo Celso released Messi with a through ball inside the box, he took a brilliant turn and took out two defenders, Yeremina and one more defender, and then passed to Lautaro Martinez, who was standing in an open position unmarked, and he could just place it to the far right side of the goal, and it was Argentina 1-0. And then Messi again got a corner, and his pinpoint delivery was so easy for Nicolas Gonzalez to head it in, but his header was saved by Ospina. What a chance missed. Argentina had to be 2-0 up. On the other hand, there was attacks down the left wing, and it was Luis Diaz who was mostly involved in it. His low grounder cross couldn't be put into the net by Cuadrado. He took a shot, but it was blocked by Martinez. I think Martinez started his brilliant run from there on. And then it was all about Colombia. They kept on peppering the Argentina defense. Defense was really shaken, because Wilmar Barrios hit the target with a deflection, hit the post, and then the cross piece was hit by a brilliant header from a corner by Yeremina. But Argentina was somehow hanging on in the second half. Zapata was constantly attacking down the right hand channel, and he took shots on goal which were deflected by the defenders. But Luis Diaz, the man who had a brilliant game, scored a brilliant goal in the second half when a free kick, he was released by a free kick through the middle. The ball was delivered through the middle through a number of players, and Luis Diaz from the left wing ran, took the ball into the box, avoided the challenge of German Pezzella. There was nothing German about the defending of German Pezzella, and from an acute angle, when the angle was narrowed by Emiliano Martinez, the goalkeeper, this guy Luis Diaz somehow managed to lift it while falling to his right side, while falling on the ground, managed to lift it somehow over Emiliano Martinez into the goal, and that was 1-1. What a brilliant goal that was. But that was not the end of the story, because in the second half, after this 1-1, there was a loose ball, a ball mispass, and back pass was a bad back pass by Colombia, and Di Maria took full advantage of it. The goalkeeper came outside his box, but Di Maria reached the ball first. He rounded off the goalkeeper, and there was Lautaro Martinez standing inside the box. Di Maria passed to him, and he had an open net, no goalkeeper, only one man guarding the goal line. He tried to be a hero, took an extravagant shot. He could have taken one or two steps forward and placed the ball into the open net, but he tried to take a shot, and there was a goal line save by Wilmar Barrios. I think that's where Argentina hearts were pounding. because that was the easiest chance of the game. But that was not the only easiest chance. There was one more chance created by Di Maria. Di Maria, coming on as a super sub, was brilliant. He dribbled past players and then sent a through ball inside the box. Messi was there. Messi turned again with his brilliancy and then took a left-footed shot which rattled the post. I think that was the time again Argentina fans were thinking whether their fate will be like Spain, whether like Spain didn't take their chances, will Argentina meet the same fate. But there was Emiliano Martinez, the man who had risen in the ranks in the last 1 year, I would say. The erstwhile Arsenal goalkeeper who made a move to Aston Villa this season after a brilliant last season with Arsenal, was there in the penalty tiebreaker, and he saved not one, not twice, but 3 penalties. And that too, what a swagger he had, what an attitude he had while saving the penalties. He constantly kept on charging the penalty takers of Colombia, constantly talked with the players, even while threatening the players, even while they were trying to take the penalty kicks. That was pure swagger, attitude, boss-like attitude. All 3 balls to his left-hand side, he dived and brilliantly saved with full confidence 3 penalty shots. Argentina missed 1 shot, but that didn't matter, because when a goalkeeper saves 3 shots, then the match is almost yours, and that was Argentina's final crowning glory. And I think the stars had already written Brazil and Argentina's name in the books of the final, because other than that, after so many dramatic twists and turns, this wouldn't have been possible, because at times Colombia were really dominant in this game. And apart from that last few chances that Argentina took, Colombia might have and should have snatched this game much earlier. But again, now the whole world will be looking towards the Neymar versus Messi show in the final. Messi with a brilliant chance to win an international trophy, which is eluding him for a number of years, because he has gone with this Argentina team to the World Cup final, to the Copa America final, but hasn't been able to get that trophy. Brazil, the defending champions, will again be trying to defend their title. That will be an exciting encounter. But for now, I'll take your leave because I need to get some sleep. But please, if you like this video, share it and subscribe to the channel. For now, I'll take your leave. Bye bye.